You must be cool. As long as you love, Likkle Wizzies cool.
So ready for that bar going on in a dog, but you want to see that boy there first, you know? Yeah, boy, me I tell you about, man. Yeah, man.
You about 2 weeks, you want to see my way partner dog. You when I come from bar.
See boy bro on this for not too long, he's so forward back, man. Yo, see the boy here coming up.
So now we're not going to stop. So come on.
Come in. Wait till the boss come.
Yo, you tell like a chop off.
Same thing me I say. You know long the boss want to see you.
Long time I want to book in you. I can't come to your show. What?
What you can do?
Me artist, man.
You think me a rising star?
Me a good DJ, man, you.
You think me a magnum kings and queens of dance hall?
You can't come in here.
Me look like Jerry Springer to you. Only way you can come on my show if you're a magician like me. Look over this. So. You know how long I want to reach us so? Think I run me a run. And my brother control the block.
Black.
The whole block.
The whole black.
So I say now. I don't want to make an idle chat. And my brother run this your block. Whole day my brother on the block, you know. Whole day and my brother run the block. You know me? Whole block.
Coulda never pay me fi fear them. Them a talk but me still not hear them.
But I know some man can't ramp with Bredda. Cause Bredda a superstar. Alright, you can come off of the block now. Thank God me dey on the block whole day. Bredda, how are you laugh so? No Bredda, don't worry yourself. You run the block. You run the block.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
You're lucky. Make I catch you. Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Likkle Wizzies, new video every Friday.
Me a pre some pound fi go live ya now. No boy.